As many of you are aware, at InstructureCon this year, Instructure released Canvas polls, or polls for Canvas as it's called in the app stores. This is a quick way for you to create, administer, and share polls with your students in the class. And what's really great is it's connected into Canvas, so all your students are brought in, and it's really easy for you to be able to do this. So it's available for iOS. This includes the iPhone, iPod Touch, and the iPad, and also Android phone and tablet. So there's a very large net of students that can use this application. There's also a lot of good information about polls for Canvas at guides.instructure.com. So many people have heard of polls, but some people have not seen it in action yet. It's kind of a hard thing to test out because you need a couple students to look at it. So what I'm going to do today is just a quick demo of the student and teacher side. I'm going to do it side by side. We have the teacher on the right and the student on the left, and I'm going to go ahead and demo it for you. The first thing you see as a teacher when you log in is a list of all your polls that you have previously created. These could be active polls, these could be inactive polls, but this is your list. And you can sort it by alphabetical order, or you can sort it by date. And let's say maybe you want to create a new question to ask your students. So I'm going to go ahead and create a question. My first question will be, what color is the sky? And I'm going to add some answers. So we'll say blue, green, or orange. And let me just fix my spelling here. And as you can see, there's dots next to all the answers. If you tap on those dots, it will signify the ones that are correct, so the students can see that. I'm going to go ahead and save this question. And it's created a new poll. So it's here alphabetical order. What color is the sky? You can see here in the middle. Or I can go by date. I'm going to tap on this question. And you'll see that I asked about poll sessions. And you can see I have no poll sessions created just yet. So what I need to do is create a poll session so I can show it off to my students. So I'll go ahead and hit plus in the top right corner. I'm going to choose my course. Right now I have a course called Canvas Polls. And I'm going to choose my section. There's only one section for this course. And I'm going to hit save. Now this is available and active to my students in this course. And I can see the results as the students are answering it. So let me go to the student side now and show you what the student would see. So as the student logs in, at the bottom, in the bottom center, you'll see Take Polls. You'll see I have no polls right now. If I pull down and refresh on iOS, I will see the poll now, and it's an unanswered poll. So I'm going to tap on that poll, and I'm going to answer, what color is the sky? Well, it's blue, of course. So I'm going to submit my answer. And if I refresh on the instructor side, I will immediately see that the student has answered blue. And as more students come in, you'll see more results. So let's say now I want to share these results with my students. In the top right corner of the instructor side, you just hit stop. It tells you that the session is now closed. And now this has stopped the poll. So essentially, the students still can't see the results and they cannot participate in the poll anymore. So let's say now you want to share those results with your students. You tap Share in the top right corner. Click OK. And now this is being shared with your students. So if I go back to the student side and click on the answered poll, I'll be able to see that blue is the right answer. And I can see the results. So that's polls for Canvas. Pretty simple. Something you can use in your class starting today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks.